welcome to our next video on Android development. In this video, we will see how to work with Android buttons. Buttons in Android are clickable. So let's start with our example. I have already opened a project in Android Studio so we will create a button. I am removing this text view and adding a buttons. Before adding a button. I'm setting layout width to wrap content and height to wrap content. Setting text to click and to center the button on the screen, I'm setting layout center in parent 2. Okay, button is set to be 2. Okay, so first we will run it. It will take some time. So app has successfully launched in emulator. If I click on this, it is working, but if we want to add some messages, then I click on it. So for that, we will do following operations. To click button, so we have to add ID, that is Android :ID. To add ID, we have to use @ plus ID slash, and I will set its the name for button is button click. We have successfully add ID to the button. Next, we have to use this ID in our Android activity, that's main activity. In this activity, I will create a class name button. I'm setting private button, then next name will be click name. I have to assign this button to this widget. Okay, for that I have to use button equals to find view by ID. Okay. And I will pass the ID to this parameter. Then we will call set on click listener. We pass and click it. I'm going to replace it with lambda. Okay. If I want to display a message, so for that we will use toast. In toast, it takes 3 parameters. First one is context, that is the current class. Then a text message and the duration. The duration will be length short or length long. So we will use length short, and we will pass a message button clicked. So we will rerun it again. Okay, it has successfully recompiled and executed in the emulator. I'm clicking on it. So you can see button clicked. Okay, you can see again. So that we have successfully done how to use button in Android, and we have seen a set on click listener. Okay, so thank you.